everything flying and hitting her in the face.
Relax.
Stop pushing my arm up.
January 24, 2023. Location, Miami International Airport, MIA, Florida. Aggravated battery and resisting arrest.
I think she threw some of the plexiglass or her phone. I'm not sure exactly. I just know the girl go, ah, and then blood.
Okay.
And then they were raising Cain.
Okay.
2 females. I did take a picture or a video I didn't get this, which I wish I would have, but I was more worried about
watching it and
making sure everything was quiet, and the reason why is because it almost got out of hand. The officers approached rather gently, if you ask me. They approached smartly, but let's calm this thing down. So they did a good job there. The one girl was just off the hook. The one with the colored hair in the, let's see, so I can reference the girls and you'll know who's who.
You had one in pink?
Yeah, she's the second girl. So this is the second girl. This is the first girl that caused the biggest commotion right there.
Okay.
So the one in the pink was causing the commotion, but not at first. She spun out, she bled off the other girl, she saw it going off. Get off my friend, get off my friend. You know what I mean? Going off, dropping F-bombs. That's because 2 officers approached her because she's out of control. Then she got out of control, and he tried to approach her and then calm her down, and then she was like, don't touch me, I ain't done nothing wrong. So he was kind of like a little passive, which is fine.
Okay.
Then they smartly moved her out of here, and she's going crazy and spazzing out, and they had to put her down to the ground at some point. I was like, they need to put her down. They were too nice on us.
Yeah.
That's when the other girl got loose, and the 2 officers were down. I had gotten off my bike now, and I saw her coming, and I was ready to jump on her at any moment because he had to catch up, and she had full access to his gun, one of the officers.
Right.
And that's what I was worried about, so that's why I stayed. Don't let I get the hell out of there. It's none of my business. So I saw that he tackled her and did a great job, and they got her cuffed rather quickly. This one took a longer time, and that was pretty much.
Did you know what the fight was about? Did you hear what it was about?
No, but I already suspect from Frontier. It's probably the world's dangerous job.
Right.
Frontier and Spirit ticket counter.
Right.
It's probably because they don't have their seat, or they have to pay for the boarding pass, or pay for the extra bag, pay for your backpack. It's all in the airlines issue, you know what I mean?
Okay.
But the officers approached smartly and then did a good job. And I just was worried about their safety. That's why I kind of hung out.
Okay, so you saw her throw the phone or the plastic thing. You thought.
I think it's the plastic.
Right.
Cut her in the face. When I looked, because it was going crazy, I was kind of minding my own business. I kind of just sitting on my bike like this, what's going on? That's when I seen the other girl go like this, and instant blood coming from her face from the ticket counter lady.
Okay.
And then the officers were about right here. They finally approached as they're going ballistic. And then that's
Did you see them attack the officers at all at any time?
Yeah, I did see the girl in the pink pants, the non-starter, became a fuel to the fire. She did, I would say she did, in my opinion, she attacked the 2 officers.
Okay, 2 officers, yeah.
Yeah, and that's why I was this, I got, if she even went near that gun, I was going to tackle her shit out of her myself. So,
Okay.
yeah, so I would say, yes, first of all, they attacked the officer here. The one girl by herself. She was nasty and spinning and kicking and everything, and they did everything kind of trying
Gently,
to stand off.
right.
And so she was resisting arrest for sure and attacking assault on the officer, and then the other one was assault on 2 officers down on the ground and potentially could have been shot.
Okay.
I mean, if he didn't know the situation and you saw this thing and you saw a girl running after her and the way their guns were sticking up like this, she's coming from the back.
Okay.
So, but yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. And I know he has your name, so good. I'll reach out to you if I need anything. Thanks, Jim.
No problem. Easy day.
Thanks, bud.
Que si puede tú puedes caminar.
Where did you say they were? Joanne?
I'm getting the info. I'm getting her info now. What happened?
Ellos entran para acá o ellos.
Hello, there was passenger, it was a lot of witnesses.
Lee Morrison. He is one of those TSA guys on a bike. That's his contact number. He heard a loud commotion, caught his attention. He looked over and saw the subject
Pink. The one in pink.
The one pink to unknown item. You didn't see what item it was?
What is this stuff? What's this called?
This.
Clipboard.
Display, plastic display?
Plastic display.
Sign display? Plastic sign display.
Exactly.
No, rescue is supposed to be coming.
So unknown item at her face. Immediately saw blood coming from her face. Observed Miami-Dade County officers arrived and saw the two subjects in the system. What else do you need, bro?
No, that's it, I guess. For now. She was being with them.
Okay.
She's got rate. She says you can't get a refund. You're the one's late. She was helping her friend that was polite and everything else, but then she goes, what? You're helping her get the refund? I go, you guys can't fly. She got crazy irate, grabbed one of these plastic signs, displays, and threw it, hit her right in the top of the nose, and then we had a TSA tied agent. Heard the commotion, and when he started turning around, they came this way, saw the thing flying and hitting her in the face.
At Lissus. The initial assault is governed Florida Statute 7-445, defining aggravated battery as the use of a deadly weapon or causing great harm. Vexations. A plastic sign holder is used as a projectile to cause facial fractures meets the threshold for a second-degree felony charge. Per Gresham v. Connor, 1989, officer actions must be judged by objective reasonableness based on the facts known at the scene. Physical resistance during detention invokes Florida Statute 84301, resisting officer with violence, a third-degree felony. While City of Houston v. Hill protects verbal criticism, it provides no immunity for physical obstruction of a lawful arrest. Ground struggles exponentially increase weapon retention risks. Failure to maintain the reactionary gap allows third-party interference.
She threw shit at the counter, then they came over, they calmed him down, and they immediately the fuck get off of me. And then they tried to do it nicely, and they couldn't.
Got it?
Yeah. All right, good. She's cuffed?
Like I'm cuffed. You talking about my cuff? You clearly see me. How would you hurting me?
Relax.
Just stop pushing my arm up. I'm with you. Give me my phone. Look, do you not see this? Do you not see this? You're trying to hurt my body on my mama. Get the fuck up this ground. Get the fuck up this ground. Get the fuck up this ground. Get the fuck up this ground.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
Get me off the ground. Give me my phone so I can call my mama.
You're not going to call no one for now, okay? Relax.
Hey Siri.
Relax.
Hey Siri. Get the fuck off of me. Get off me.
Hey, we're not going to get off you, okay? Relax.
Stop grabbing me.
You need to relax, okay?
You need to get the fuck out of goddamn face.
You need to
You can do
relax.
that all you want. You can do that all you want. You can do that all you want. You're not hurting me at the end of the day. Get the fuck off of me. Like you put the right to me.
Oh, the victim.
Transport 239 outside door 13.
Can you let go of my arm?
Let's take her outside so we know
Okay, then let go of my hand.
Hey, listen, hey, relax. Okay, relax. Hey, relax. You relax. You're gonna move, or we're gonna move you. Hey, you're moving because we're telling you you're gonna move. Okay. That's my video right here.
Okay, what's your badge number? What's your badge number?
Relax.
You gotta give me that right. You gotta tell me your badge number.
It will be on the arrest warrant.
I'm relaxed. He's grabbing me, trying to hurt me.
You keep trying to pull away. Stop.
I'm not. You get, bro. I'm not mother's grave. You finna rub me. Hey, all y'all pig ass, you a disgrace. You a disgrace to the race, you black. I swear to God, you're a disgrace. 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 I hate the police. All y'all some. I swear to God, y'all don't help nobody do nothing. All y'all crack a pig ass and you too. You want to be like these crackers? Okay. Fuck you. Disgrace. Kiss my ass. And I'm going to find out same day, so this is a waste of time. What's wrong with you?
Under the fellow officer rule, the arresting officers had probable cause based on the victim's visible trauma and witness accounts. Beyond criminal charges, private entities exercise right of refusal to issue lifetime bans independent of court outcomes. Lessons learned. Intervening in a lawful arrest for a companion escalates misdemeanor conduct into multiple felony counts of obstruction. At professional precedent, this case highlights the necessity of immediate physical control in high-traffic airport environments to prevent weapon access. Final adjudication. Liability is determined by the transition from protected First Amendment speech to active, violent physical resistance.